I just finished a repair on this Tran XV95 furnace. Wound up having a burned out upper limit switch. I replaced the switch, the furnace works fine, but those mainly burn out because of a restriction in airflow, either through the inlet, through the exhaust, which both of those are outside, or through the air filter. Now when you use those $20, $30 air filters, they're woven so tight, it restricts so much airflow, it can cause something like that to happen. Now a common misconception is those expensive air filters last longer. Some people go 3 to 6 months without changing them. Well, that couldn't be farther from the truth. They're woven so tight they capture every dust known to man, and they clog up actually quicker. I recommend getting a cheap $2, $3 air filter. Change it every 30 days. It's going to save yourself some electricity, and you're actually going to have less dust in your home. Now this filter actually happens to be a true blue. I'll put a link in the description on Amazon of some cheaper filters on there. And this is going to make your furnace last longer, have less service calls, and save you time and money in the long run. Hope this video was helpful and informational. Thank you for watching.